Hi, I'm Rosana Molinari-Weber. We've been seeing an increase in accidents involving rideshare companies like Uber and Lyft. So I want to tell you two things about that. Number one, if you drive for Uber or Lyft or Uber Eats, make sure that you let your insurance company know that you're doing that kind of work. Otherwise, if you're involved in a car crash, you run the risk of your own insurance company not paying for benefits that you should be entitled to. For example, your medical bills or even the repair of your car. Number two, if you have been injured as a result of somebody who drives for a rideshare company, make sure that if you're able to, at the accident scene, that you take some pictures, that you get the name and phone number of the witnesses, that you get medical care, and then you call us up and then we're able to see what recovery options are available to you for your injury. Give us a call so that we look at all the recovery options that are available to you.